Enhancing the omnichannel experience should be a strategic priority for the board and management team because it really has a great ROI. So you're looking at additional revenue, but as well, you're looking at the efficiency that you can gain from adopting new technology. And what is really an omni-channel experience? It is an experience where a customer can work with you inside your bank branches or back office call center team, but also a customer can work with you from their home or from their work. Whether that is them applying on their own or they're applying with help from a banker that has invited them to complete the process. The gaps that we see in banks that prevent them from having a competitive omni-channel experience are really the technology systems that they're using today. So every bank is going to have their own core provider, their own online banking provider, their own KYC systems, their own disclosure provider, and it goes on and on. What we've kind of found over years is after we deployed over 100 banks is we built all the solutions that will allow you to connect those systems together, pre-built. And then we did that through partnerships with providers. We did that through real-time APIs. We saw technology changes that enabled us to connect everything together and make it one user interface. So those enhancements that we made and improvements that we've built over time allow banks to kind of bridge that gap. The characteristics of a strong omnichannel experience are really, can I make the experience, whether you're working inside the bank branch or online, a great customer experience and also a great employee experience, right? So what are the hallmarks of that? You think about it, well, a great experience will make sure it's easy. It makes sure it's very fast, but also at the same time, make sure it's an experience where you feel safe, secure, and you can trust the solution, right? So if you wrap all those together, you're creating an experience, hopefully, that is still delightful for the users, so that whether that's the customer or the employee, and that they're going to go tell their friends and family that, hey, your institution is an amazing institution to work with. The real cost of not having true omnichannel is really losing customers that you would have obtained if you had that solution. Also, at the same time, you would potentially lose customers that you have today that would move away eventually, right? And what you're really trying to do with that customer is build trust. You want them to trust the technology forwardness of your bank and that you're keeping up with the solutions that you should be keeping up with, because if they bank with you and they realize, well, maybe I can't do the things that I should be able to do with them because this is just an example of one thing that they should have. So example, like if the bank doesn't have a way for a customer to apply online, a consumer might say, well, maybe they don't have the right infrastructure to support me because they don't know what they're doing with technology. The solution has to be easy enough for them to work and follow a guided experience when they're at home, or I can work with them whether I'm on my work computer, maybe I can jump into that system with them and work in real time with them. So these are hallmarks of great technology, but it also is a huge benefit to enhancing the experience, even if you're coming inside that bank branch.